Place where you no suppose buy land for Lagos. Number 1, Badagry. If you know say you no wan swim, go house. No just near this area at all. No near am, because small area like this swimming pool don't happen with that. Even no yourself go fear the kind flood wey fit happen for there. So if you know say you no fit swim, you don't even get strength to swim, not just near there at all, because you said you go dey think say whether na land you buy, abi na lagoon you buy.
Wow. Sorry.
Number 2, EJIGBO.
I'm not here speaking out. Say it again.
EJIGBO. They say land cheap for there, no worms. But na so organo verse, na mistake you go dey hear. By the time you discover say na 5 people get the land where they say give you. Normal they go tell you say na Oloriebi get land, but na premium wahala they just say give you. By the time they finish with you, say no be only lawyer you go need babalawo join say. Number 3, IKORODU. Land cheap for there, but na expressway go mainland you dey buy. When you go use 4 hours for inside traffic, na there your brain go reset.
Jesus, what a life!
Traffic wey dey there go dey make you question your life. You see your pikin wey dey house go sleep, wake up, chop again, sleep again, and you still dey inside traffic. You go begin dey question your life anyhow. You go dey wonder whether na land you buy abi you do traffic subscription. Number 4, okoko. Make I call the full name give you. Okoko Michael. They go say they sell land give you, but na premium swamp they sell give you. If you know say you be frog, you fit dey that side. But if you know say you no be frog, abeg no just near there at all, because you go dey spend money for sand like say you dey mine gold. Number 5, Apapa. If you know say you no wan share your land with trailer and container, waka pass. If you know say you need your sanity, waka pass. If you know say you need peace of mind, waka pass. Because na everyday trailer wey no get brake go dey use your gate do emergency stop, and they go dey beg you every day say oga abeg shit your house trailer wan turn. That one na premium wahala. Number 5, Adegunle.
Jesus.
If you know say you no sharp, they go sharp you. If you know say you no get liver, no just try buy land for that area, because na ogba dey there. In short sef, if you wan buy land for Lagos, shine your eye well. No allow anybody sell premium shege give you. If you no clear, no sign anything, waka pass. Some land for Lagos go whine you, but no panic. At landproperty.ng, we dey on our back gidigba to make sure say una don't fall into this kind trouble. To simply reach us, call the number wey dey your screen now or WhatsApp the number. My name na Promise from landproperty.ng.